Twitch is now using your stream and your content to train its AI, and I'm going to show you how to turn it off with no frills, fluff, or anything else. Let's get into it. So first thing we're going to do is go over to the creator dashboard. Right here, you go over to account settings, and once you're at the settings, go ahead and navigate to security and privacy. Now, once at the security and privacy setting, scroll all the way down until you find training for generative AI. Then you can go ahead and turn it off, and you are all done. I'm also trying to get into the YouTube Partner Program, so if you wouldn't mind helping out by liking, subscribing, sharing the video, I would really appreciate it. I only have about 60 hours of watch time right now, and I need 4,000. If I don't get that before February 1st or 2nd, then it's going to be doubled to 8,000 watch hours just for shorts. So if you want to see a video about that, I'm going to link it up over there somewhere. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you. Bye.